Do you own an Audi with a key fob that doesn't work? If so, follow along on this video and I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how you can start your car even with a bad key fob. Let's get started. So if I hit the start stop button, it does not turn on the car. To get this to work, even with the bad key fob, even if your key fob doesn't lock, unlock, or anything, all you have to do is hold the key at this spot right here on your vehicle. If you hold it there for a couple of seconds, all the accessories are going to turn on. Your navigation, AC, everything's going to be running. If you want to start your car, all you have to do is push down on the pedal and then hold the key there for 2-3 seconds and the car is on. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little secret on how you can get your Audi working even with a bad key fob. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.